Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a sales invoice in Manager.io. Let's begin by opening Manager.io. If you haven't installed it yet, download the application from the official website, then launch it and open the business file you want to work with. Once you're in, you'll see the main navigation. Look for the Sales Invoices section in the sidebar. This is where all customer invoices are listed and managed. Open Sales Invoices to access the invoice list. From here, create a new document by selecting New Sales Invoice. This opens a clean invoice form where we'll fill in the key details needed for accurate billing. Start by entering the issue date and the due date. The issue date is when the invoice is raised, and the due date is when payment is expected. Choose a due date that matches your payment terms, for example, the same day for immediate payment, or a specific number of days from the issue date if you use terms like net 7, net 14, or net 30. Next, choose the customer. Select the correct customer from your records so the invoice ties back to the right account and history. This ensures balances, statements, and reports remain accurate. For the reference, enable the automatic option. This lets Manager.io assign the next available invoice number in your sequence, helping you stay organized and avoid duplicate references. Enter the billing address. Use the customer's invoicing address exactly as they prefer to receive documents. Keeping this consistent helps avoid delays and supports smooth communication. Now add the line items. In the description field, clearly name the product or service. Select the appropriate income account so revenue is categorized correctly in your reports. Enter the quantity and the unit price. The amount will calculate automatically. If you sell services, quantity can be hours or units of work. For products, it might be pieces, boxes, or another unit. Accurate descriptions and accounts make your financial statements far more meaningful later on. Take a moment to review everything: dates, customer, reference, address, and each line item's description, account, quantity, and price. Confirm the totals match your expectation. When everything looks correct, select Create. Manager.io will save the invoice to your list with the assigned reference number and calculated totals. Your sales invoice is now recorded and ready for your internal processes. That's it. You've opened Manager.io, located sales invoices, created a new invoice, entered dates and customer details, enabled automatic numbering, added the billing address, completed the line items with the right accounts and prices, reviewed the summary, and created the document successfully.